Today on Mike Attempts, applying window film. I picked up some heat control window film at my local home improvement store in hopes of reducing the summer temperature in my garage. The other supplies should be easy to find at the dollar store. The manufacturer recommends a half cap of baby shampoo to 1 quart of purified water. Stir and pour it into an empty spray bottle. Thoroughly clean the inside of the window with glass cleaner. Since this is a garage window, I'm using a razor to remove all the bug crap. Measure the first pane and write it down. Roll out the film on a clean, flat surface and be sure the inside is facing down. Add 2 inches to both dimensions you wrote down and cut the film. Fold over one end of a piece of Scotch tape and slip it under the top corner of the film, sticky side up. Tape the other end to your work surface. Fold over the end of a third piece and place it over the top of the first piece, sticky side down. The tab should be like this. Tape the other top corner the same way. Now you can grab those tabs and pull down to remove the clear protective liner. Liberally spray the film with the baby shampoo solution. Same with the window pane. Pick up the film using the remaining pieces of tape. Line it up with the wet side facing the pane and touch the film against the window. Use both hands to slide it into position. If possible, it's nice to have a factory edge against the top or side to line it up. Spray it some more and use the squeegee to smooth out the film. Start with the middle and work your way out to the edges. Keep it wet or the squeegee won't slide easily. Don't be shy. Excess amounts of this solution is key to a successful installation. You really can't use the spray too much. Use a plastic card to prepare the edges for cutting. Cut the film at the edge of the glass with a new razor. Follow up with the card to remove any remaining bubbles. Do the same for the remaining edges. Finally, wrap the plastic card with a paper towel and push out any moisture along the edges. You're going to make mistakes, but each piece goes on easier than the one before. Repeat the process for the rest of the panes and you're done. My garage still gets warm in the summer, but the film did make a noticeable difference. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.